everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and today we're cooking up a great breakfast skillet on the Memphis Pro Cart ITC3. So the first thing that we want to do is light up the Memphis Pro Cart. So here's how we're going to do that. We're going to initiate the startup sequence, and then we're going to set the grill to approximately 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to use oak wood pellets for this cook. The Memphis Pro Cart is up to temperature, so now it's time to get started on the skillet. We're gonna dice 6 to 7 small red potatoes and place in an aluminum pan. We also wanna add 1 diced bell pepper. Then you wanna add 1 diced onion. We're also gonna add 8 ounces of thick bacon, finely diced. Then we're gonna drizzle this with a little bit of olive oil, about 2 teaspoons, and we're gonna season it with our Big Sweet Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost or your favorite herb season. Last but not least, we're gonna season it with a little bit of salt and pepper as well. When the grill is warm, we wanna unbox the new Memphis Grill cast iron skillet, and we wanna place it in the grill. Then we want to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. You want to melt the butter and then add the potato bacon mixture to the skillet. Now we want to cook this until brown and tender for about 30 minutes, and you want to stir occasionally as well. When the potatoes are brown, you want to add 2 minced garlic cloves and stir. The breakfast skillet has now been cooking for about 30 minutes, so now it's time to add some eggs. We're gonna make some wells into the potatoes, and then we wanna break 4 brown eggs carefully into the skillet. I like to season my eggs with a little bit of black pepper. Now we're gonna cook the eggs until the egg whites are completely set and the yolks begin to thicken. This will take about 10 minutes. The eggs are almost ready, so we have one final thing left to do, and that is add a little bit of cheese. I love extra sharp cheddar cheese for my skillet, so we're gonna add about half a cup. Now we want to cook this for another 2 minutes or until the cheese is melted, and then the breakfast skillet is ready to serve. And that is how I make my breakfast skillet on the Memphis Pro Cart ITC3. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to Memphis Wood Fire Grills YouTube channel or check out their website www.memphisgrills.com for more recipes like this one. And I think the only thing left to do is to try the skillet and see what it tastes like. And it smells really, really good. So here we go. Potatoes cooked to perfection. Love the egg, the bacon. This is really good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.